Hello everyone! We are now going to introduce the Charts tool in your Vector Mobile. To access it, we go to the menu and select the option Charts. The chart is a classic market tool that allows us to visually follow the movement of asset prices. We can also develop analysis and trading strategies that perform market studies to identify regions of price consolidation or trends. You can add the cryptocurrency chart via the plus sign in the upper right corner and enter the desired asset name. Or change the asset of the current chart by selecting the asset name in the top tab, where you can enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want and select it from the drop-down list. You can change the periodicity of the chart. To do this, select the clock icon in the bottom left corner, which will open the periodicity options menu. You can change to time periods like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, daily, or to timeless periods, for instance, with the Renko chart. On the plus sign at the top, we can set a custom period, for instance, a 10-minute chart. The button with 2 candles gives us a menu for configuring the chart's appearance. Here, we can select the type of chart we want to use. For example, candles, bar, line, among others. And just below, we can set the appearance of the chart type in a very simple way. To do this, simply press the circle icon that will open the window with the configuration options. Here, you will have several coloring options to customize your chart. To finish, just select the color you want and click on the X in the upper corner. In the side button, we have the Indicators and Metrics tool, and it allows us to insert indicators that complement our market analysis. This way, if the indicator has the same scale as a chart, it is possible to insert it directly into the asset. For example, let's insert a moving average. It's also possible to insert any indicator in the new window. In this case, we will insert the IFR. If you want to edit the indicators, just select the gear in your Indicators menu. Here, you can change the appearance and parameters of your indicators. In the case of our moving average, we can make the changes and return to finish. And to remove the indicators, just press the X next to the gear to delete it. Under Price, we can activate the Draw Level Detector. This feature adds a line that follows the asset price for easier viewing. Next, we can have the Studies tool that allows us to perform the insertion of graphical elements, also known as market studies. Here, we have a number of study options that we can add to enhance our analysis. For example, we can draw a resistance line and also a Fibonacci studies. To edit the color and parameters, simply select the study and press the gear that will appear on the top of the chart. Make the desired changes and return to finish. You can delete the studies the same way by pressing the X next to the gear, or you can delete them all for the first option of the Studies menu. You can also hide and lock your studies on the charts this way. You can press the hand icon to move the chart freely around the screen or follow the asset's price history, and press the arrow icon to return to the current period. With 2 fingers, you can zoom in and out, controlling the zoom of your chart. And you can also adjust the horizontal or vertical scale if you want. There are some important settings to keep an eye on. In this case, we go to the menu, Settings, and select the Charts option. By checking the option to display View Cover Point, you can check the chart to see the break-even point of your operations, where there is no profit nor loss. You can also change the scale of your chart from arithmetic or algorithmic and force the indicators to be drawn at the chart's edge. To perform operations on the chart, you can check out a specific video for the chart trading tool, in which you will learn how to send your orders onto the chart. Thank you so much for following us, and see you soon.